Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I'm going to discuss about sleep and its effects on your testosterone level. So relationship between testosterone and sleep goes both ways. What that means is poor quality sleep will cause you to have low testosterone level or will drop your testosterone level, and vice versa. Low testosterone level can cause insomnia or make your existing insomnia and sleep problem worse. Majority of the daily testosterone release in men occur during sleep. In young adult male, testosterone starts to rise on falling asleep and peaks at your first REM cycle. Researcher has shown that highest level of testosterone happens during REM sleep. Lack of sleep and other sleep related problems like obstructive sleep apnea, insomnia is associated with a low testosterone level. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation and other sleep related problems can cause 10 to 15% drop in your natural testosterone level compared to only 1 to 2% drop due to normal aging process. This is a huge difference in drop in your natural testosterone level. Now, knowing all this, it doesn't mean that sleeping too much will increase your testosterone level, but poor quality sleep will definitely cause a drop in your natural testosterone level. So if you are suffering from some of the symptoms of low testosterone, but your lab test shows that your testosterone is a normal range and you want to naturally improve your testosterone level, improving your quality sleep is one of the things you should consider. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.